na ikonkoro komesha kiyoge koromurayo Kisii market under municipality. Your Excellency the county governor, kwanza kabisa tu kwenye mbia mono asa mangana agri na ami asa town ya number 1 obosafi mbo maintain lakini rende tutagete obosafi obo maintain kabirenge mune yiga ebintu ndiro tutagete ntumuna abantu bechiro oise korigereria gento ngere igoro kuchi container chiarengo before no tutranyora county government municipality enkoro yakatwarire mayor container nziri chiari kobe ku at least town koko around 30 meters tonyora kwarenga mane container so muntu kulita tabe twasimuri tunda oyo kolia enchugu onyora sakobeka lisaka so that they can mara ko baba ko tabako kari ndike correction ba correct kurwa so mutungi olime elindo bosabi bo maintain nali abantu baito turanyara kurenda masingira elinde takatake yekoba koimukigwa toise gotara mo especially asichilozo chire lere takatake elia abantu bakubeka masakara ime virus oroje bantu gute iko tuasa ikosa litora masingira roche tosali na masingira y'abantu baito igaso kurenda usafi ye town igatolende na usafi ya masingira na onyaye tuko
kubena nyamanya mugaka no mwaka yo mukuru kenyorogia chogo gaga
twakore miaka 70 twoko chigwetarika kwanywana ngaki no ni acha ndo yako nyari komena kuga kiti ambo gera gaga ntene gaga ende nyeko komena kuitu iwo nanga kyogo itera majega no ikuru umuntu okorire 70 years no nari ikuru geita ke president agwe konyoro ngoba tie control bone kero ba 70 years yo me boko nanga ngota yo señora anto kane tento señora ya vegeta ba korosho bosabi town yaba ababeke aba seminar abatenga abantu mbarororo bakaleki baire priority nga erna tenina ndonzi onine gago tenina ndonzi.
And I want to say that the governor yaito Green Army gasi abo nengia lakini mba igete bakaba next end bakaba bago durumisha abantu nonye se ubiye governor karo kwa barangire tiari etisi ogakolege kauna barobo nanto tokote banga mbuya sogote na kuri kwatri ne taimara mune governor oga break kelege ndo kitiari korokana umura chirubi na gotaigwana n'abantu oga break bago mondago itwa ikagere koti ekaletwa eliekera magosa arokanire omuntu ire rwatwa ogambigwa korengana magosa aye so ntwege ndomuna kelia tumekipea ongera nande twatebire mbiya mwana se gasengia asoko break ebintu muna biria umure ubi ase mirango y'abantu korwana ovyo so that y'abantu baito mabamo nande tumanya no muntu yo goitane ndugu yaho muntu yo kurwana no yo mino onya tali yo mino kwati buyo boiri mboro igonga ntuna abantu abamo tigatosire gendo gekoro kuchuki uno mugusi tuanchane tubugaterane tomenya matukanya sa tubugeta so butobwenze ande ngotebaiga nonye etoko ngano mujumbe okobori obujumbe manyori mogo pingana nere negero gekia kuligira kindali mokobe ko bwasa mabugu adui anchana kora abantu kelikega nei onye nabo konyu mubwate enana abantu bokamba bwate wa musi ekero lichukuri chikura lie ikire ningo bago chikoa igo tutike ko pagwana tutike koleta chuki tutike koleta bwasama muna ntoli bantu bamo intuna abantu abamo chikure chie chigocha chiere tutikale toramo ande togokwana tokole biasaramo tokogendera gukinie county yaito gegendo togosaba ikomore mborrokane kerenzemo pia mosaba.
Well, we have quite a number of perennial cases pending, especially those related to land matters. I believe that if this system is well implemented and guided, it will be able to unlock some of those pertinent issues, cases which has been pending for quite a number of years. I would appeal our elders, our honorable elders, Now that you have been given that responsibility of ensuring that justice is brought more closer to our people, you serve our people with a lot of diligence, a lot of impartiality, and a commitment, so that we benefit on these services which has been brought in our county.
Twakanyire ko to wapiria matuka mange ase okotaka Kisii yeitoga abo twamo pongeza nga mbuya akora oija oja kuteringa ajaga ache kwendele.
Their farms, our constitutional commitment to ensure that justice reaches every Kenyan through pathways that respond to their lived realities. And those of us who went to the suite, to the ukumbi, we were explained the various pathways. Justice is not only found in the courtroom, it's found in our families, in our communities, in our marketplace where we work. And this is really a constitutional imperative that has transformed our understanding of justice by requiring courts to promote alternative forms of dispute resolutions and that are consistent with our constitutional values. Through the trainings of our NJES practitioners, we were told also the boundaries of the cases that can come to our NJES system, because research was done here when they were working on the county action plans, and it emerged that the major problems in Kisii are to do with succession. I cannot understand.
Lamba uti kiarura subogatagati wo mochivo songo ase Gavana lentire wosiani wo gajeno mochio kiari gereri mochenya sai ya tire amagora ya vere